Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to revise the lesson the 12th month. Okay. We have done this lesson the 12 months. Okay. Name of the 12 months are described. The 12 months characters are described here in the lesson. So we have done this lesson with question answers. Today we are going to revise this lesson. Okay. The 12 months. Once upon a time, in a far away country, there lived a mother who had two daughters. Once upon a time, in a far away country, there lived a mother who had two mothers. She is having two daughters. One was her own child. One was her own child. And other was her stepdaughter. ओके एक उसकी बेटी थी और एक सौतेली बेटी थी, स्टेप डॉटर. She was very fond of her own daughter. So that mother, she was very fond of her own daughter, but she hated her stepdaughter. But she hated her stepdaughter. Was prettier than her own daughter Helena, because she was prettier than her own daughter Helena. That's why she hated the stepdaughter. The gentle-hearted Morugla did not know how beautiful she was. Morugla, her stepdaughter. Her stepdaughter name is Morugla, and her own daughter name is Helena. Okay. So she could never make out why her mother was always so cross with her. The stepdaughter, the gentle-hearted Morukla did not know how beautiful she was, and so she could never make out why her mother was always so cross with her. Morukla had to do all the housework, tidying up the cottage, cooking, washing, spinning, weaving, and sewing. All the household work Morukla does: cooking, washing, spinning, weaving, sewing. She liked work and she did it all without a word of complaint, while Helena spent the time adorning herself and lazing about. On the other hand, Helena, she is spending her time adorning herself. She is adorning herself, okay, and lazing about. Even then, Helena and her mother scolded and rated and abused Morukla every day. They envied her so much that one day they decided to throw her out in the freezing cold to get rid of her. Go, Morukla, and get me some violets from the forest. So she is saying to Morukla, go and bring some flower for me. Okay, she said, Marukla, go and get some violets from the forest. Violets. I want to wear them and smell them, said Helena. I want to smell them. I want to wear them. Now, but my dear sister, it is impossible to find violets in the snow. But Morukla is saying, it is impossible to find violets in the snow, said poor Morukla. मोरुकला ने उससे कहा इतने स्नो में वायलेट फ्लावर मिलना इम्पॉसिबल है. हाउ डेयर यू आर्ग्यू व्हेन आई टेल यू टू डू समथिंग. हाउ डेयर यू आर्ग्यू व्हेन आई टेल यू टू डू समथिंग. मैंने अगर तुमको बोला खर्च करने के लिए तो तुम क्यों बोल रहे हो. You go at once, and if you don't bring me violets from the forest, I will kill you, said Helena threateningly. If you don't bring me violets from the forest, I will kill you, Helena said to Morgula. Okay. The September month. Yes. Helena said it threateningly. The stepmother caught hold of Morukla, turned her out of the door, and slammed it to after her. So she just caught hold the hand of Morukla and tell her to go. Okay. Yes. At last, she is ready to go. Marukla went into the forest, weeping bitterly. She is weeping, she is crying bitterly. The snow lay deep, and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen. The snow lay deep, and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen. Morukla wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with cold. Now, very harsh weather is there, very harsh cold is there. So she, Morukla wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger. She's so hungry and trembling with cold. At last, she saw a light in the distance. At last, she saw a light in the distance. She went towards the glow which came from the top of a mountain. A big fire was burning there, and round the fire were 12 stones with 12 men sitting on them. So, a big fire is there in the forest, and 12 stones are there. On the 12th stone, the 12 men are sitting on them. 3 of them had snow white beards. 3 लोगों को स्नो वाइट बियर्ड, ऐसी वाइट पूरी दाढ़ी थी. 3 were not so old, and 3 उसमें से 3 जो तो वो बहुत ओल्ड नहीं थे. and 3 were still younger, and 3 they are still younger. The 3 youngest were the handsome of them all. They were not speaking, but all sitting silent. So they were not speaking, they were sitting silent. These 12 men were the 12 months. ये 12 men क्या है? 12 months है. Great January sat highest of all. His hair and beard were as white as snow, and in his hand he held a club. In his hand he held a club. Morukla was frightened. Morukla was frightened. She stood still for a long time in terror. She stood still a time in terror, but growing bolder, she went up to them and said, "Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at your fire." Because there is snowfall, extreme cold. That's why she is asking to that 12 months they were sitting there. "Please, sir, let me warm my hands at your fire. Let me warm my hands." Now, Great January nodded and asked her, "Why have you come here?" "My dear little girl, what are you looking for?" "I'm looking for violets," answered Morukla. "This is no time to be looking for violets, for everything is covered with snow," answered Great January. Great January answered that this is no time looking for the forest because everything is covered with snow. Yes, I know, sir, but my sister Helena and my stepmother said that I must bring them some violets from the forest. Sir, you are right, but my stepmother and my sister told me to bring some violets from the forest. If I don't bring them, they will kill me. If I don't bring them, they will kill me. Tell me, fathers, please tell me where I can find them. So she's asking, "Tell me, fathers, tell me, please tell me where I can find them." Okay, so Great January just stood up and went to one of the younger months. January stood up and went to younger months. It was March, and giving him the club, he said, "Brother, take the high seat." So he has given the high seat to the March. "Brother, take the high seat." March took the high seat upon the stone. So March is just sitting upon that stone and waved the club over the fire. Waved the club over the fire. The fire blazed up. The snow began to melt. The trees began to burn, and the ground was at once covered with grass. It was springtime. It was springtime. So this is about the March. March took the high seat upon the stone and waved the club over the fire. The fire blazed up, the snow began to melt, the trees began to burn, and the ground was at once covered with grass. It was the springtime. So this is the uh, story of the 12 months. So remaining story we will see in the next period. So what is your homework? Your homework is read the lesson. Read the okay. Read the lesson. So do it. We will stop here and remaining lesson we'll do in the next period. Okay.